Hey guys, we're back again with another video about Malwarebytes. So the title of this video is malware free good enough or do you need premium? So most people ask these questions is it the free version good enough or do you actually need to buy the premium? And as you can see right now, for those who are just starting up, we got a 14-day trial. As you can see, like mine, but after 14 days, it might end if you don't renew it. So Malwarebytes offers two version, the free one and the premium. So um so yeah, for the free one, it can scan your computer for malware and virus, and remote detect threads and perform manual, like what you call this, manual scans whenever you want. But the downside here, it does not provide continuous protection. It only removes threat after you run a scan. Because I've tried this before on my old PC, and that was my old problem. I actually say I've just downloaded this right here. There you go. I usually use Avas right here. So what malware premium adds, if you buy it right here, you buy the, what do you call this, malware premium. It okay, so it's taking a little bit while, but most of it, there you go. It has real-time malware protection, ransom protection, web protection, and phishing and scamming protection, automatic background scan, and scheduled scanning and updates. Premium works continuously to stop threats before they infect your device. So is malware a free good enough? Whew. I don't want to give like the wrong answer, but okay, I'm gonna explain why I'm gonna say this answer. So yes, for some users, okay, don't get me wrong, yes, but for some users, because um, the free version can be sufficient if you already have another antivirus installed. Like for example, me, I have two. I have Avas and right here. So yeah. So you mainly want second opinion scanner right here. If you just want like second opinion scanner, you can use Malwarebyte. And if you don't mind running manual scans occasionally, so and yeah, if you want to practice safe browsing habits, I suggest you can use Malwarebytes. So yeah, um, but if you want to upgrade to premium, you can upgrade. But overall, if you're gonna use Malwarebytes, I suggest for free. I suggest doing it for like a second option, like a second option for like a second diagnostic. But if you only have Malwarebyte, I suggest buying the premium. Yeah, I suggest just buying the premium, guys. Because when buying the premium for the Malwarebyte, if you're gonna use this as your main, like main antivirus, I suggest buying premium. So yeah, so Malwarebytes free is good enough as an on-demand malware scanner, but it's not a complete antivirus solution on its own. If you want continuous protection against modern threats, Malwarebytes Premium provides significant more security, guys. But yeah, there you go, guys. Hope you guys like the video. Hope you enjoyed. If you have a question, concern, send me the question below, guys. Have it answered as soon as possible in here. And bye bye, guys.